Hi everyone, this is my next build. It's a 1988 Ford F150. I really fell in love when I saw the truck, even though it was uh, a little bit beat up, not well taken care of, but I think it has a lot of potential. So I'm gonna start working on it, and I hope to really have it looking nice towards the end of my build. And I hope you guys enjoy this next build. This is a little bit of how it looks right now. This is the first day that I got it. This short video I took I was really excited when the very first afternoon that